What happens to the T in the word fitness? When we have a vowel or diphthong and then a T, and then a consonant, that T is what we call a stop T. So we stop the air. My tongue goes up into position for the T. Fitness. But instead of t releasing the air, I just go into the next consonant. Fitness. What else? What about the word outside? Outside. That little stop is the T. And don't forget football. Foot. Stop the air really quickly. Football. Football. Thoughtful. Thoughtful. What about this one? Have you heard of fortnight? Fortnight. Now there, the sound before the T was the R. Okay, that's another case. If the sound before the T is an R, a vowel, or a diphthong, and the sound after the T is a consonant, that T is a stop T. Can you think of a word with a stop T?